Hello everyone, welcome back to Yog Thermal Guru. In today's video, we learn about one of the most widely used RTD wiring methods, the 3-wire RTD connection. We'll understand how it works, why it's preferred in industries, and what makes it more accurate than the 2-wire type. Let's get started. Quick recap. What is an RTD? Before we go deeper, let's quickly recall what an RTD is. An RTD, resistance temperature detector, measures temperature by sensing the change in resistance of a metal, usually platinum. As temperature increases, the resistance increases, and the measuring device converts that change into temperature. What is a 3-wire RTD connection? A 3-wire RTD connection uses 3 wires instead of 2. 2 of the wires are connected to one end of the RTD element, and the third wire connects to the other end. This extra wire helps compensate for the lead wire resistance, which was a problem in the 2-wire system. In simple words, the third wire helps the instrument cancel out the effect of wire resistance, giving you a more accurate temperature reading. How it works? Here's how it works. When current passes through the RTD, a small voltage develops across it. The instrument measures this voltage to calculate resistance and therefore temperature. But the 2 wires on one side of the RTD allow the system to measure and subtract the resistance of the wires, leaving only the true RTD element resistance. This clever wiring trick is why the 3-wire RTD is far more accurate than the 2-wire type, especially for long cable runs. Advantages of 3-wire RTD. Let's see the main advantages of a 3-wire RTD connection. It reduces lead wire error. It's more accurate than 2-wire RTDs. It's cost-effective compared to 4-wire RTDs. It's the most commonly used connection type in industries. That's why you'll find 3-wire RTDs almost everywhere, from process plants to HVAC systems to pharmaceutical and power sectors. Typical industrial applications. 3-wire RTD connections are used wherever accuracy and stability are important, but extreme precision isn't required. Some common applications include chemical and petrochemical plants, food and beverage industry, power plants, HVAC systems, pharmaceutical processes. These sensors help maintain the right temperature for safety, efficiency, and quality. Comparison with other types. Compared to a 2-wire RTD, the 3-wire setup is much more accurate because it compensates for wire resistance. However, if you need laboratory-grade precision, the 4-wire RTD offers even higher accuracy, but it's more expensive and complex. So the 3-wire RTD offers the best balance between cost, simplicity, and performance. So now you know how the 3-wire RTD connection works and why it's the most popular choice in industries. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru for more clear and simple videos on sensors and instrumentation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one, where we'll explore the 4-wire RTD connection.